Thanks for joining us. First at 9 tonight, we're hearing from the family of Allison Feldman, a Scottsdale woman murdered in her own home nearly a decade ago.
And this week, the Arizona Supreme Court ruled that DNA evidence in the case will be allowed at trial for the man charged with her murder, the culmination of a years-long legal battle over all of this. Fox 10's Nicole Krasean joins us with reaction from those closest to Allison. Nicole.
Well, good evening, John and Christina. You know, any length of time is too long when you're searching for justice. But Allison Feldman's family hasn't just been searching and waiting this past decade. They've played an active role in getting her murder case moved forward. And they're saying that this ruling this week, hopefully their last major hurdle.
Just an amazing human being. I miss her all the time.
Nearly a decade after losing her, Allison Feldman's sister Kelly reflects on all that has changed as she continues to process her sister's absence.
My children were 2 and 5 when she died, and my oldest is now driving a car. And so it's really hard to think about all the things that she missed and all the family functions she's missing from.
My wife struggles a lot. She's missing her best friend. And it's really, this week has been hard for her because it brings back all the memories and things.
What hasn't changed is the family's dedication to getting justice for Allison's murder. Harley Feldman, her father, even helped investigators with a tool that ultimately cracked her case.
I didn't know much about DNA before this, but in trying to help solve her case, I learned about familial DNA search.
A connection at the State House led to testing, and a familial match eventually led them to Ian Mitchum, who was arrested 3 years after Allison's murder. Because Ian Mitchum's particular DNA collected during a DUI arrest in 2015 was supposed to be destroyed, his lawyers argued it was against Fourth Amendment rights to use in the murder case. This week, Arizona Supreme Court ruled that Scottsdale police did violate the Fourth Amendment, but that police would have discovered his DNA from a 2022 arrest, so they could still use it as evidence. This decision brought relief for Allison's family in what has been a painful back and forth.
It's been hanging out there for quite a while as it's made its way through the different levels of court. And it's hard to have it always keep coming back up.
And because Allison's case was the first time Arizona used familial DNA to find a suspect, Harley calls this his daughter's legacy, one he's determined to carry on.
I did help a case in New York State to get familial DNA search made legal again after it was declared illegal. And all of those things help people, help families solve crimes. And I feel really good about those.
Now, Mitchum does have a pretrial conference scheduled in January, so we will find out more about potential trial dates and other updates after that appearance. Reporting live tonight in Phoenix, Nicole Krasean, Fox 10 News.